Virtual reality has come a long way from the days of bulky headset and basic graphics to high-end quality graphics. And nowadays, VR is more immersive, accessible and mind-blowing than ever before. And while gaming is still the main attraction for most VR enthusiasts, there is a whole new world of incredible experiences waiting to be discovered. And so in this video, we are going through 5 incredible VR activities beyond gaming. So number 1 is learn and play an instrument. Have you ever thought about getting a drum set but then decided it's just too costly or takes up too much space at home? Well, VR has the perfect solution for that. There are certain apps which let you set up a virtual drum set and create stunning beats right in front of your virtual world. But it's not just drums, you can also learn to play instruments like the piano. And even the app connects with a real piano and it uses hand tracking to teach you how to play songs. It's like having your own private piano tutorial whenever you want, and the best part is it makes zero noises, so your family and neighbors can relax undisturbed. Number 2 is learn new languages in VR. As you know, we all learn better when we are actually doing things, right? It is so much more effective than just reading textbook or watching videos. And to learn new languages, there is an incredible app called the Language Lab VR. Imagine you are placed into a physical scenario where you can interact with everything around you and you explore and you start learning the names of the object by actually performing the task as you interact. And it's like being in a whole new world where you are not just reading or listening but actively engaging. And when it comes time to recall those object names, you can think back to actually physically handling them. Trust me, you will recall those words much quicker. Isn't this a fantastic idea? So moving ahead on our list, number 3 is education and learning. One of the most exciting non-gaming application of VR is in the field of education and learning. Imagine being able to step inside a human cell or explore the depths of the ocean, or travel back in time to witness historical events firsthand. That's exactly what is possible using apps in VR, which offers engaging, interactive learning experience that make traditional textbooks look like something out of the Stone Age. Number 4 point is watching 360-degree movies. I really believe this is the future of entertainment, and when I talk about watching a VR movie, I'm not talking about the typical big screen experience or watching a video on a flat screen. I am talking about being inside the movie itself, where you can turn your head and see everything around you just like you are really there. It's a whole new level of immersion. This has actually been possible for a while now, but the experiences keep getting better and better. In the early days, everything was low resolution, but over time things have been improved. And the last but not the least, number 5 is meditation and mindfulness. VR is not just for learning, but it's also an incredible tool for relaxation and mindfulness. There are apps which provides the guided meditation and the nature tracks using VR, and it will transport you to a beautiful environment that's perfect for unwinding and de-stressing. Imagine floating in a warm, crystal clear pool on a tropical island surrounded by palm trees and the gentle lapping of waves, or whatever your happy place is, VR can take you there. So these are some of the coolest things VR can do, and the possibilities of VR and the immersive environments are limitless. Speaking of immersive environments, innovative projects like the Fifthscape is leading the charge in virtual reality, and the future is looking brighter than ever. Fifthscape is not just another VR platform, but it's an ecosystem designed to redefine our interaction with the virtual world. With its VR technology, Fifthscape makes your experience limitless. What truly sets it apart is that it aims to build the world's first augmented and virtual reality ecosystem, using the brightest minds to push VR to new heights. So if you're excited about the future of VR and eager to be a part of this amazing journey, stay tuned and join us as we dive into the limitless possibilities with Fifthscape.